Hey everybody, it's Scott Golden with Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations, and this video helps to answer all the questions you need to know before you make your next carpet purchase. I need to let you know most people make carpet purchases based on basically three things. First is it fluffy enough? Second, is it the right color? And third, is it the right price? All of those things are important to consider, but I'm going to tell you that there's three other things that you should consider that are important considerations before you make your next purchase. You need to ask yourself three questions. First, how much traffic is going to be in the area where you're going to be putting the carpet? Different carpet performs differently to different types of traffic. So ask yourself, is this a hallway? Is it the stairs? Or is it a bedroom that's being barely used? Second, what kind of stain exposure is it going to be subjected to? So for example, do you have pets? Do you have kids? Is this in a dining room? You want to know that because different carpets handle stains differently, all right? The third thing is that if you have pets, what is a proper style to consider? So for example, with pets, I don't recommend that you use a closed loop carpet because cats love to pull on those loops. Dogs do too, and sometimes they'll pull those loose. So let's take a look at some other things to consider to help make sure that you get a good match on your carpet purchase. First thing is what kind of material is it made out of? Not all carpet is made of the same material. We have wool, we have nylon, we have smart strand, we have polyester, we have olefin. Today we're going to concentrate on three of those carpet types: nylon, smart strand, and polyester. Those are going to be the three most popular carpet types to consider. The reason why you want to really identify traffic is because some carpets handle traffic better. Nylon and smart strand fibers hold up better over time than a polyester carpet will. So if your carpet's going to go into a high traffic area like a living room or hallways, you probably want to make a selection in the nylon or smart strand carpet type. Now on the reverse of that is a lot of carpets may be exposed to not as much traffic, but they're exposed to a lot of stains. Well, polyester is a great stain fighter. It's made just like just like this water bottle right here. It's made out of that same type of plastic that they make this water bottle out of. And if you think about it, it's almost impossible to stain this bottle. And so polyester is great against stains. Let's talk a little bit about the nylon fibers so that you can understand what makes them unique, and then we'll talk about the polyester fibers. This carpet type right here is nylon. This is one of our Pet Protect carpets. One of the things that makes this great against stains, and this is a specific type of nylon that's been treated, is that it repels water. So for example, if a pet were to have a stain on this, the stain stays right at the top of the carpet, making it a lot easier to clean and to be able to notify, or be able to see. So I can just simply use a cloth or a towel and get that up without any of the moisture getting down into the carpet where it's going to cause problems. It almost feels dry on top at this particular point. So if you have pets and you're concerned about pet stains, I strongly recommend the Pet Protect carpets that we have in the Pet Perfect line. Depending on the manufacturer, they've got a different name for them. This carpet right here is a polyester carpet, and it is what's referred to as a solution dyed carpet. So what that means is the color of this fiber goes all the way through the fiber. It's built like a carrot, whereas other carpet fibers are built like a radish. They've got a different color on the inside. This one has a color that goes all the way through. What does that mean? You can literally clean this carpet with bleach, diluted bleach. So again, if you're in a heavy stain area, you want to make sure that you pick a carpet that's either hydrophobic, repels the stain, or B, is a carpet fiber that's made to handle stains and cleaning stains. Let's take a look at carpet styles, okay? Because this is important as well. Not all carpet styles are good for your type of lifestyle. This carpet right here is what we call an LCL or a cut loop type pattern. They're great for, bedrooms and dining rooms, living rooms as well. They don't show much wear. However, there's one caveat. The loop cut loop still has closed loops. And if one of your pets were to grab a hold of one of these with its claw, it would pull that carpet, that row of carpet, all the way up. Now, depending on your pet, and if you've got a very docile pet, you could probably get away with this. But if you have very active pets that are running through the house, you probably want to stay away from one of these looped style carpets. The final thing you need to consider in your carpet purchase is what kind of pad you want to use. This is a rebonded pad, which most of the pads that we sell are rebonded pads. They're not recycled pads. I want to make sure that you understand that. This is all fresh virgin foam. They've just cut it up, put it all back together again, and basically that type of foam performs better over time. It doesn't have any soft spots in it. Pad is measured by the density of the pad. So most pads will start at about 5 pounds density and go up to 10 pounds density. This is an 8-pound density pad. You don't want a soft pad, you want a firm pad. That's going to help the carpet to last better over time. Second thing to consider is this pad has a moisture barrier on top. It's a great addition because if you do get a stain that goes down into the carpet, you can always clean the carpet, but if it gets down into the pad, you can't clean the pad. So by having that moisture barrier there, it keeps any moisture stains from being able to get down into the pad. So make sure that you talk with your project manager about what would be an appropriate pad to go with the carpet. And also make sure that you answer those 3 questions that we asked is what kind of traffic is going to be on it, whether or not you're going to have pets, what kind of stains, and gosh, I can't even remember the third one now. But regardless, make sure you ask a lot of questions because you need to know more than just it's fuzzy and the right color. I hope this has helped you. Giving you an education on what kind of carpet you might want to purchase. We think a well-educated consumer is our best customer. And please keep in mind, Simmons is a 9-time winner of Angie's List Super Service Award, and we're a proud member of the Good Contractors List, and we appreciate the opportunity to talk to you about your project.